Welcome back. It is your favorite professor, Professor Iva Naude. Anyway, I'd like to welcome everybody back. We're going to be doing some good experiments here, and I hope you guys are going to have a super duper time. Are you ready? Well, in life, sometimes some things, they seem impossible. They can't be done. But I'm going to show you that some things we sometimes think for God, it can't be done. But our God is the God of the impossible. So let me show you something here. We've got ourselves, what can we say? We got a balloon. It doesn't want to fit inside the bottle. It seems impossible. It doesn't want to. And I've got an egg. And the egg also doesn't want to go into the bottle. It seems impossible. I could push it, but it would break. So I'm going to show you that our God, even when we see things that seem to be impossible, God is possible. So let's see this experiment. Let's see if it works. I've got to say, parents, do not let your children play with fire. It can be very dangerous. And boom! There, we had it! Oh, wasn't that a big pop? It was incredible. Don't you think that we were able to suck the egg, what seemed impossible, into the jar? Isn't that amazing? Reminds me about a story. There once was a prophet. He was riding along on his donkey, and the donkey turned around and says, "Hey, you, don't go that way." The guy heard a donkey speaking to him. That is impossible. And I remember about that Pharaoh Egyptian guy that called Moses, he wanted to run away from the Egyptians, and they were coming to the sea, and they couldn't get through, and God of impossible made the sea part, and they were able to walk through on dry land. All of them were saved. That is impossible. Hey, don't you remember Joshua as well? Joshua was chasing down the enemy and said, "Hey Lord, I need some more time." And God of the impossible stopped the sun and says, "Go, do what you need to do." Isn't that incredible? The God of the impossible does impossible things. Isn't that amazing? Should we try this again with the balloon? Here we have the balloon. The balloon, will it get sucked into this bottle after we've had it out? Well, let's give it a go. Sorry about my tea. It's just brewing. Let's put this in and let's see what we can do. Oh! Boop! Yes, it worked! Just. We are fortunate. But anyway, and there you have it. The balloon is still intact. The God of the impossible can do something impossible in your life every single day. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. Cheers.